Welcome to Block 7, your source for unique home design inspiration from around the world. Today, we'll explore Paros Residence, a private villa designed by Studio Seilern Architects on the Greek island of Paros. With a refined blend of subtle modernism and a mix of contemporary and traditional detailing, this villa offers luxurious comfort in harmony with the natural Aegean setting. Perched above an olive grove on the island's west coast, the villa's orientation has been carefully planned to align with the path of the August sun. At its core is a negative-edge pool, seemingly cantilevered over the Aegean Sea, creating the illusion of floating above the landscape. Next to the pool, a pergola roofed with bamboo features a single oculus, allowing sunlight to illuminate a hand-chiseled marble poolside lounge. This combination of traditional and modern elements provides a simple yet luxurious feel, blending seamlessly with the natural beauty of its surroundings. Completed in the summer of 2021, the Paros Residence has been enjoyed by its private owners. Studio Seilern Architects worked closely with local contractors, engineers, and suppliers to ensure that every stage of the project was meticulously executed. The intimate collaboration between the design team and the client allowed for unique experimentation, resulting in an architecture that is both poetic and deeply personal. The villa is composed of several standalone structures arranged around a central pool courtyard, forming a cohesive and harmonious whole. The flooring consists of terrazzo slabs, which appear to hover above the ground, adding a sense of lightness and elegance to the architectural design. Beneath the pool, mirrored surfaces reflect the Mediterranean sky, further enhancing the sensation that the entire space is floating above the landscape. The materials used in the villa's design exude a minimalistic richness through texture. The traditional white stucco walls are paired with natural stone and terrazzo, framed by intricately hammered Oliveri marble around the windows. This detail is inspired by the decorative entrances of Parian churches, bringing a local cultural touch to the villa's modern design. The simplicity of raw materials like terrazzo and stone creates a subtle yet sophisticated gradation, adding complexity without overwhelming the overall design. This careful balance allows the surrounding landscape to become a vital part of the home's character, imbuing the space with formal energy befitting its coastal location. As lead architect Studio Seilern explains, the house responds to the breathtaking views and is organized around the east-west axis to align with the August sunset. We wanted to create an architecture that lightly touches the earth. Terrazzo slabs float and barely meet at the corners. The swimming pool cantilevers over the olive grove, giving the impression that it is levitating. This concludes our tour of the Paros Residence, a luxurious villa that masterfully combines natural beauty with thoughtful modern design. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Block 7 for more design inspiration from around the world. See you in the next video.